What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Netflix with the ticker symbol NFLX. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it looks like Netflix sold off quite a bit. Looks like it dropped about, let's take a look, about 17%. And it came back to test the previous breakout level. As you can see, that's normally what happens when prices are range bound and we get a breakout. Normally prices retrace back to the breakout. So this is a healthy pullback. I don't see anything wrong with it. Let me show you guys right now. So you can see that we are finding support at the breakout level and we got a bounce from it. So I think we're heading higher just because you can see that we had the first break outside of this uptrend channel, and normally we get a retest of the highs or even a new one. So I think prices are still going to trend up. Prices came out short on this side of the channel, which led to a breakout side on this side of the channel. Prices did the same thing over here, but the measured move was higher, so that's why prices continue to trend up. You can see that this was the first leg up and a correction. That's the second leg up. Prices hit the measured move, sold off. Prices cannot go above this high by that much, and then it sold off again. We also could not make it to the upper side of this uptrend channel, and then we sold off. So anyway, we sold off because we were due for a correction. Prices came back to retest the breakout level, and now we got a bounce. You can see that previously there was this downtrend in play, and we also get a breakout side of this one. You can see that there are several bars inside of this channel, and then there was a breakout side back in the 8th of December, and then moved to a new low. You can see that it went back to the lows of the move and made a new one. Looks like price action made a little double bottom. You can see that the green candle came in, buyers stepped in, we sold off again, create a little double bottom, and now we're rising up. So this looks pretty good. Looks like we can go back all the way back up to the highs and even exceed it if we continue to push through the EMA and find some type of support on the opposite side, and then we will probably continue much higher. So I think we can go back all the way to the all-time highs and even exceed it. I'll show you guys my target right now for Netflix. So my target for Netflix is this measured move right here. You can see that this would be the first leg up for the price, and then this would be the second leg up. So my target is right around the 777 level. So right around the 775 level. That's where I think prices are heading in this move up. I'll show you guys another possibility. You can see that this would be the move up for Netflix, and if I just drag it over to the correction, it also pretty much points right at that measured move that I had. So there's confluence there. So there's a lot of reasons for prices to continue higher. And let me show you guys one more thing. Let's look at the Fibonacci retracement for this move down. You can see that prices came right back to the 61.8% retracement. So that's very normal and healthy in an uptrend. So just to sum it all up, I think this pullback that we recently had in Netflix is healthy, and looks like we're finding some type of support because they came back to test the previous breakout level, found some type of support. We got a little double bottom pattern. We're pushing up, and if we get through the EMA and find some type of support, we will probably continue higher all the way back up to the $700 level, and possibly even the measured move targets that I have outlined for Netflix. So everything looks pretty good. We just have to see if this pattern will play out, and if the market wants to do this, or if we're going to just continue to trend lower in a downtrend or something. But as of right now, I'm bullish. It looks pretty good to me. I would be waiting for a buy opportunity to jump into this move if I was trading it, and we'll go from there. But let's go and stop by on the weekly chart to check it out, and then wrap this video up. So here's the weekly chart for Netflix. You can see that most of the price bars are above the EMA. That just tells you that we are in a uptrend. You You can see that when prices get far away from the EMA, we pull back to it, and now we pull back to it. Last week was pretty bullish, and it got a nice little bounce. So this week, if we get some follow through, then we're heading much higher. I would say at least to the 650 level, and then even to the $700 level fairly soon, and then eventually to the price targets that I have outlined on the daily chart at the 775 level. You can see that we're finding some type of support over here at the previous point at the 552 right around that $600 psychological number. Actually, if you want to be accurate, the 587 looks like it's some type of support and is holding prices up. But that's everything I see on Netflix. Just to wrap it all up, I'm bullish as of right now, but if we start seeing lower lows and lower highs develop in the price, then we are in a downtrend and we could be continuing lower. But as of right now, I don't see that. We are seeing some follow through from the bulls, and I think this will be kept up. Thank you for stopping by and checking my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.